Good morning. Today we start the online session of St. Xavier Convent School, Barnala. I am your math teacher. My name is Amandeep Kaur and today we start the chapter 4th, multiples and factors. The first topic is multiples. So what is multiples? A multiple is formed by multiplying a given number by the counting numbers. Counting numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. Like we find multiples of 5. So given number is 5 and counting numbers are 1, 2, 3. 3. So 5 multiply 1 is 5. 5 multiply 2 is 10. 5 multiply 3 is 15. So 5, 10, 15 are multiples of 5. Like this list of multiples of 5. 5 is a given number and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are counting numbers. So 5 multiplied by 1 is equal to 5. 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10. 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 15 and so on. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30 all are multiples of 5. Like this multiples of 4 are 8, 12, 16. So the next is lowest common multiples. Smallest common multiples between the multiples of two different numbers. We have two different numbers and both have different multiples, and which number is common in between both numbers, so those number is lowest common multiples. The lowest common multiple is also called LCM. LCM. The lowest common multiple also known as LCM. The first letter is L, the first letter of common and first letter of multiples. It makes LCM. So the example is list of first 7 multiples of 8 and 12. First we find the multiples of 8. First we count the multiples of 8. We have counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because there are 7 multiples. So first we multiply 8 by first counting number. 8 multiply 1 is equal to 1. 8 multiply by 2 is equal to 16. 8 multiply by 3 is equal to 24. 8 multiply by 4 is equal to 32. 8 multiply by 5 is equal to 40. 8 multiply by 6 is equal to 48. 8 multiply by 7 is equal to 56. So these are the multiples of 8. Next we find the multiples of 12. Counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. First we count the first multiple. 12 is a given number and 1 is a counting number. We multiply the 12 multiplied by 1 is equal to 12. 12 multiplied by 2 is equal to 24. 12 multiplied by 3 is equal to 36. 12 multiplied by 4 is equal to 48. 12 multiplied by 5 is equal to 60. 12 multiplied by 6 is equal to 72. 12 multiplied by 7 is equal to 84. So the common multiples of 48. These are the multiples of 8 and these are the multiples of 12. And the common multiply is 24. Comes in both numbers, and 24 and 48. Now the smallest common multiple between 24 and 48 is smallest common multiple between both numbers 24 and 48 is 24. So the 24 is the lowest common multiple. We can say that LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. 24 is the lowest common multiple. So the next topic is factor. What is a factor? The factors of a number are those numbers that exactly divide the given number, like 24 and 2. 24 divided by 2. We can also say that factors are the numbers you multiply together to get a given number, like 24, 2 and multiply 12. 2 and 12 are those two numbers which are multiplied and get a result 24. Like this, factors of 24. First, 24 is a given number. So, what we do? First, we find the two pairs of number which we multiply and get a 24. So, first is 1. 1 multiplied by 24 is equal to 24. So, our first pair is 1 and 24. Next is 2 and 12. Both numbers are multiplied, then we get 24. After that, next number are 3 and 8. 3 multiply 8 is equal to 24. And 4 multiply 6 is equal to 24. These are 4 pairs of 24. So, we write down the factors like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 6, 8, 12 and 24. 6, 8, 12 and 24. These are the factors of 24. First, we have 24 is a given number. Now we find the pairs which are multiplied and get a result 24. 1 multiplied 24 is equal to 24. 2 multiplied by 12 is equal to 24. 3 multiplied by 8 is equal to 24. 4 multiplied by 6 is equal to 24. So, these are the numbers of pair which are multiplied, then we get the result 24. So, the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. So, all these numbers are factors of 24. Next is highest common factors. It is the highest among the common factors of the given number. Like these numbers, and the highest number is 24. So, it is the HCF. Highest common number, or it is also called the greatest common factor or divisor. So, highest common factor is also known as HCF. H is first letter of highest, C is common, F is the first letter of factors. So, it is known as HCF. What is HCF? HCF of 12 and 16. First we find the factors of 12 and next we find the factors of 16. Then we find the common factor which is his highest. So, the factors of 12. 1 multiply by 12 is equal to 12. After 1, we try to divide 12 to 2. So, after divided 12 on 2, we get the 6. So, 2 multiply 6 is equal to 12. Next, try to divide the 12 to 3. When we divide 12 to 3, then we get the 4. So, 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. So, these are the factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Next, we find the factors of 16. 16, first we divide the 16 to 1. So, 1 multiply 16 is equal to 16. Next, to try to divide 16 to 2. After divide the 16 to 2, we get 8. So, multiply 2 and 8. So, we get the result 16. 2 multiply 8 is equal to 16. Next is on 3. As we know that 16 is not divisible on 3, so we miss it, and next we divide the 16 to 4, then we get the result 4. So 4 multiply 4 is equal to 16. So these are the pairs 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So all the factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So now we have the factors of 12 and the factors of 16. We found the common factors 1, 1, 2, 2, 4, 4. So common factors of 12 and 16 are 1, 2, 4. Next, the highest common factor is 4. So highest common factor is 4. Then we can say that HCF of 12 and 16 is equal to 4. Prime numbers and composite number. Prime numbers are numbers that only have two factors. Which two factors? 1 and number itself. Number itself, like 3 and 1. Like 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. So there is only two factors, 1 and 3. Like this, we have 5. 5 multiplied by 1 is equal to 5. It also have two factors, 1 and 5. The prime numbers are like 3, 1 and 3, and 5 have two factors, 1 and 5, 7. Also have factors like 1 and 7. These are the prime numbers. Examples of prime number is 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and so on. Next is composite number. Composite numbers have more than two factors, like 6. 6 has 6, 1 multiply by 6. After that we divide the 6 to 2, then we get the result 3. So 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. So factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. So these factors are more than 2, but in the prime numbers only two factors, 1 and 3. So these are the prime numbers and these are the composite number. Example is like 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. These numbers only have two factors, 1 and 3. It means 1 and the number itself, only two factors. But the composite numbers have more than two factors, like 6 is equal to 1 multiplied by 6, 6 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3. So factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. These are the factors of 6. The next is prime factorization. It is expressed as the product of all prime numbers. That result is in the given number. As we know that all prime numbers 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. These prime numbers have two factors, 1, 3. 1 and number itself. 1 and number itself. 1 and number itself. 1 and number itself. These are prime numbers. It helps to find the HCF and LCM. So the example of prime factorization of 24. First what we do, divide the given number rapidly. Starting from the smallest prime number. What is the smallest prime number? Is 2. then 3, then 5, then 7, and so on. So the prime factorization of 24, prime factorization of 28 and 42, then find the HCF. Prime factorization of 28. First we divide the 28 to the first prime number 2. 28. 1, 2, 8, 4. So first it divides to 2. So there is 2. After that we divide 14 to the prime number 2 is to 7. So there is that one. And next we divide the 7. 7 not divided on to prime number 2, not divided on prime number 3. So at last it divide on the number 7. 7 divided on 7 is equal to 1. So there is 7. So the prime factorization of 28 is equal to this one to 2 and 7. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. So 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. 4 multiplied by 7 is equal to 28. First we divide the 28 with the first prime number 2. Then we get the result 14. And 14 again divide on the first prime number 2. Then we get the result 7. And at last we divide the 7 at the 7. So we get the result 1. These are the prime factorization of 28. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. First we find the prime factorization of 28, then we prime factorization of 42. First divide the 42 to the first prime number 2. So 2, 4, 2, 1. So 2 is the first prime number. After that we divide 21 to the first prime number 2. 2 and 1. 0. So 1 is left. So what we do? Next we divide the 21 to the next prime number 3. So 7, 21. So 3 is the next number. Now divide the 7. 7 is divided on the next prime number 7. So 7 is next number. So we have the prime factorization of 42 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. So 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6 and 6 multiplied by 7 is equal to 42. So we have the numbers 2, 2, 7, 2, 3, 7. Now we find the common multiples of 28 and 42. 2 is common and 7 is common. The common prime factors are 2 and 7. To find the prime factorization of 28 and 42, we have the numbers 2 and 7. Then we find the HCF. HCF is equal to the product of common prime numbers. There we have two common prime numbers 2 and 7. So we multiply 2 multiplied by 7 is equal to 14. So 14 is the HCF of 28 and 42. Okay, next is how to find LCM with the help of prime factorization. Okay, find the LCM of 12, 20 and 30. First we find the prime factors of 12. Divide 12 to first prime number 2. Then we get 6. After that divide this 6 to the first prime number 2. then we have 3. Divide 3 to the first prime number 2. It is not divisible by 2. Then the next prime number is 3. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. So the prime factors of 12 are 2, 2, 3. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. Next we find the prime factors of 20. The prime factors of 20. 20 multiplied by 2. Then we get 10. Next we again divide 10 on the first prime number 2. Then we get 5. Then we divide 5 by first prime number 2. 5 is not divisible by 2. Next prime number is 3. 5 is not divisible by 3. So the next prime number is 5. 5 is divisible by 5. So the prime factors of 20 is 2, 2 and 5. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. These 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20. Now we find the prime factors of 30. First we divide the 30 to the first prime number. Divide 30 to the first prime number 2. Then we get the result 15. Now divide the 15 to the first prime number 2. 15 is not divisible by 2. Then the next prime number is 3. Now divide the 15 to the 3. Then we get the result 5. Now divide the 5. First prime number 2. The 5 is not divisible by 2. 5 is not divisible by 3. So 5 is divisible by 5. So the prime factors of 30 is 2, 3 and 5. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. These are the prime factors of 30. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 30. 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. 6 multiplied by 5 is equal to 30. After this we find the maximum number of times each factor occurs. Now in the 12 and 20, 2 occurs 2 times. These and this. And at the 30, 2 occurs only once. So 2 multiplied by 2. And next we find the 3 occurs once in a 12. This. And once in 30. So it is written only once. After that 5 occurs once in 20 and once in 30. So it is also written only once. So the LCM of 12, 20 and 30 is 2, 2, 3 and 5. These numbers 2 multiplied by 2, 3 and 5. The LCM of 12, 20 and 30 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4 is equal to 4. 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. 12 multiplied by 5 is equal to 60. So we can say that LCM of 12, 20 and 30 is equal to 60. So the next is common division method. We have two numbers 12 and 30. Prime number is 2. First we divide the 12 to the 2. So we get the result 6 and 30 divided by 2, then we get the result 15. After 2, then 6 and 15. First we divide by first prime number 2. 6 divided by 2, then we get 3. 15 is not divided by 2. So 15 as it is. Now 3 and 15, both numbers are not divided by first prime number 2. Then the next prime number is 3. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1 and 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Now we have 1 and 5. Then 5 is the prime number 1. 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. So the LCM is 2, 2, 3 and 5. These numbers. Common division method also used to find the LCM. So LCM of 12 and 13 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. 2 multiplied 2 is equal to 4. 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12 and 12 multiplied by 5 is equal to 60. LCM of 12 and 30 is equal to 60. Thank you so much for listening me. I will upload your work in your WhatsApp group. Please complete your work on your time. Thank you.